Is your Lyca mobile internet super slow? Videos keep buffering and pages won't load? Don't worry us. In this video, I'll
Go to Phone Settings, SIM and Network Settings. Choose your SIM card for manually APN Internet Settings. Access Point Name. Click on plus icon, add new APN Internet Settings. Tab on Name. Tab on APN. Tab on Username. Tab on Password. Tab on MMSC. Authentication type. Tab on MMS Proxy. Tab on MMS Port. Authentication type. PAP/CHAP. A PN type. APN protocol, IPv4/IPv6. A PN roaming protocol, IPv4/IPv6. Now, save new APN settings after select this APN after restarting phone check your Android phone, internet. Speed thanks. Watching my video, like, share, and subscribe.